I used to have this appetite for my life, and it is just gone. I'm going to Italy, and then I'm going to India, and I'm going to end the year in Bali.
We are back with the latest installment of our Getaway Week series. We love this. Today's topic is all about traveling the world, eat, pray, love style, or alone.
Solo traveling can seem daunting to some, but the experience can also be transformative as long as you know what to pack and where to go. Joining us now for tips on how to do it right is Pamela Holt. She's a travel expert and host of the docuseries Me, Myself, and the World, The Art of Solo Travel, which is available to stream. Of course, you can also follow her online. Pamela, we're so glad you're here.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
So you actually started traveling solo at 19.
Yes.
So you were a teenager, and then since then you've been to over 92 countries.
Yes.
But I understand there was a specific impetus for all this. Talk to us about your story.
Yeah, you know, in my mid-30s, I experienced a very traumatic car accident that nearly left me immobilized. And I promised myself that if I fully recovered, I was going to live life to the fullest.
See the world.
Yes. And I made an 80 by 50 promise to myself. And I said, by the time I'm 50, I'm going to 80 countries. I'm now 54 and a half, and I've been to over 92 countries.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're the same age, by the way.
Excellent.
I haven't been to that many countries. So one of the biggest, I guess, you know, there's a lot of people love traveling solo, but then some people worry about safety if they're going to go all by themselves. So let's start there. How can you be adventurous and be safe?
Yeah, there's a couple things you can do. You always want to create peace of mind, and you can do that by creating an emergency plan. You can share your location, and you can share your plans with a trusted family or friend. You can always have cash in the local currency, as well as cellular service and access to maps, even if you just download it on your phone. For sure, have the police, the ambulance numbers for the country you're going to, and the nearest embassy. Have the address.
Any tips on what we should be packing for trips? I travel alone a lot. I've been to Southeast Asia, Africa, but I always have to remind myself, if you're alone, nobody else can help you carry the bag.
That's right. You know, you always want to pack light. I always pack in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is that?
For a weeks-long trip, it's 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 accessories, 2 shoes, plus 1 on the plane, and a bathing suit. And if you can kind of narrow it down into that kind of packing where you can interchange, you're going to be good to go.
That is a great tip. Best top 3 destinations for solo travel, what would you say?
Right now, I would say London, Singapore, and Iceland. They are consistently safe countries and very easy to navigate.
Any tips for connecting with others while you're on the road? I think there can be misconceptions that it's a lonely time, but you can make some friends.
Yeah, you know, I think one of the biggest things is changing your mindset. So I've redefined solo travel. Solo now stands for seeking out life's opportunities. And when you do that, I promise you, your whole ambiance will change. You'll open up to new connections, new friends, new experiences. And I think that mindset change alone is really important. And go where the locals go. Go to the cafes, the street fairs, you know, hang out at a sporting event. And I always say, when you go to a new culture, a new land, respect their cultures, respect their religions, and learn a few words. You don't have to be perfect in the native language, but
so good.
I believe it'll open up some new
does help.
connections.
Pamela Holt, thank you so much for the tips.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching.